Well, ladies and gents, I've realized on YouTube there is nobody actually shows Land Rover Discovery Sport, Luxury Sport battery replacement. Basically, I just changed mine. It takes me like maybe half an hour. It's the first time ever I'm doing this. Basically, first of all, remove the plastic, have a little clip on them. And all I see on the floor. Very easy one. First of all, remove this. Battery is under there. Take the air filter. Protected. Basically, when we come to water, we have to remove the metal piece first. As many people don't know about it, when you undone these, the minus and plus, basically take them off and then make sure which one has the earth, because otherwise it's going to make a spark. So the easy thing, undone that, after I've done this too, what's here in mind, undone that, take this off, separate it on the side, undone the battery on the box. It's easy, clip on there. The one thing you might start, the battery is really heavy after removing everything. Basically this one is folding battery. Not many people know, so that I've done the same mistake as well. Don't try to push the battery out, you have to make sure this is basically undone. Now I need to put back on again. That's what I just want to show you. And then, yeah, so basically when you do all these, take off, put the new one on, and make sure